Does this happen to you? You close your browser with 10 important tabs open, and when you open it again, they're all gone. It's frustrating and a waste of time. In this video, I'll show you how to change one simple setting in Microsoft Edge so it always remembers where you left off and reopens your previous tabs automatically. Open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Go to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the menu. Scroll down near the bottom and click on Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the tab that says Start, Home, and New Tabs. If you don't see the sidebar, click the three-line menu icon in the top left to reveal it. Here is the magic setting. Look for the section called When Edge Starts. By default, it's usually set to Open the New Tab page, which gives you a blank slate. You want to select the option Open Tabs from the previous session. That's it! There is no Save button. It saves automatically. Let's test it to be sure. I'll open a few random tabs. Yahoo, a news site, and the weather. Now I'm going to close the browser completely. When I click to open Edge again, boom! All my tabs reload instantly. You never have to worry about losing your work again. Sometimes you just need to get back to the last closed tab. Well, there is also a keyboard shortcut for it. If you ever lose a tab on desktop, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T or Command plus Shift plus T on Mac to reopen the last closed tab instantly. That's how you pick up exactly where you left off. If this tip saved you time, please hit like and subscribe to easy tutorials and how-tos. Thanks for watching.